Are you looking for the best dash cam? In this video, we will top dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best dash cam, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Rexine V1. Starting at the Rexine V1. When comparing it to the pretty popular Falcon Zero Touch Pro, the Rexine V1 stands out in terms of features such as external storage addition and the number of lenses, but if you're comparing it in terms of design and style, the Falcon beats out the Rexine V1. This is not to say that the Rexine V1 is boring. Far from it, in fact. Right from the very first glimpse, we were pretty blown away by its unique design. Add to that the specifications that come with it and you've got a solid and well-rounded dash cam to work with. 170-degree, 6-layer lens with wide dynamic range technology helps to capture full HD 1080p videos, resulting in a super detailed and crisp image. This makes it super easy for you to read license plates, a company name on a roadside banner or a sign on a car, which can be pretty useful in the event of an accident should you need evidence to prove your case. For those wondering about a loop recording feature, then yes, we can confirm that the camera does support this feature. Loop recording not only lets you record videos in a timeframe of 3, 5 or 10 minutes, but you also don't have to worry about storage issues. As soon the camera starts running low on storage, the advanced loop recording technology automatically starts deleting the older unwanted recording to make room for new videos. The Rexine V1 does come with a G sensor which helps with the auto-saving feature by locking videos in the event of an accident, collision. But before you turn it on, make sure you set the sensitivity level to medium in order to avoid unnecessarily triggering the feature at minor road bumps. When it comes to low light performance, this is one of the most important key features where unfortunately most dash cams fail to perform. Luckily, the Rexine V1 does an excellent job here. Irrespective of whether the days are cloudy or it is nighttime, the video quality comes out exceptionally great in every condition, all thanks to the enhanced night vision technology packed onto the camera. The one and only thing that we don't quite love about the camera is the LCD display that comes with it. First off, it's pretty small. The standard display size for most dash cams is 2.7 inches, whereas the Rexine V1 only has a 2.4-inch display. Also, the viewing angles are not the best. Side angle viewing is pretty much non-existent with a clear view only from a head-on angle. KDLINK X1. Up net we have the KDLINK X1. The camera uses 6 glass f1.6 lenses which are commonly used by high-end manufacturers, making it a tough competition for other ruling manufacturers. The camera in itself is designed very well and looks like most point-and-shoot cameras. Plastic is the major build component with some chrome on the top and bottom. KDLINK X1 comes equipped with G sensors which, again, immediately saves videos on the off chance your car meets with a crash and/or accident, a very important feature to have in case someone tries to tamper with the records. This also prevents important videos from being deleted automatically when storage is low. The X1 dash cam also has the loop recording feature, which means you can record your videos at intervals of 2, 3, and 5 minutes, which later makes it easy for you to navigate through videos. Loop recording also means that older, useless videos will be automatically deleted once the storage is full, making room for new videos. The video quality is absolutely stunning both in daylight and night. You can easily zoom in to the minute details on videos and attain detailed information. If you are looking for a camera that can record audio alongside a video, then the KDLINK X1 is the best option for you. It is a good contender to the previously reviewed Rexine V1 in most aspects and comparatively has an easier installation process. The only thing that might bother some users is that the GPS does not indicate accurate time on the videos. Even if you set up the time and date settings properly, it tends to reset it to January 1st the next day. So, if date and time is an important detail for you, you're probably better off looking at other options. WheelWitness HD Pro. Up net we have the WheelWitness HD Pro. We were delighted to see that this camera pushes aside the traditional Novatic processor in favor of the more powerful and advanced Ambarella A7 processor, which results in effortless motion capturing and smooth video recording. The higher 1296 resolution is absolutely amazing. The videos recorded are very clear and the camera captures minute details very well. The dashcam also comes with an inbuilt microphone that records audio along with the video, and it is quite good in quality. Remember, however, that high-resolution recording means faster storage drainage. So, if you are going to record higher resolution videos, make sure you get a 64 or 128 GB external SD card. The 3.0-inch LCD makes it easy to preview videos, but, in case you want to view it on a bigger screen, you have the option to hook it up to your laptop with the USB cable that comes in the package. Like other popular dash cams, the WheelWitness Pro comes with loop recording, so you don't have to worry about storage. The old videos are automatically deleted once the storage is full. However, if you don't want a specific video to be deleted automatically, then you can put a lock on it with a simple touch. The 170-degree lens packed with WDR technology helps in capturing wide-angle videos along with the ability to control exposure, and compensate light and dark spots during one shot in the frame. The wide angle means regardless of where you mount the camera, it will still cover everything that you're seeing through the windshield from left to right and vice versa. The G sensor comes integrated into the dashboard camera to automatically lock and save videos after any collision. The camera also comes with the option to add a GPS module, which would add date, time and location to your videos. The instruction manual that comes in the package is amiss on a lot of information about the functionality of this dashcam. We'd advise manually going through the different settings and features available to give you a sense of what is possible with the camera. The dashcam comes with a 450 mAh lithium battery, which is pretty great when looking at what other dash cams have to offer. This isn't all that important, however, since the dashcam is only powered on when the ignition is on too, and can be powered directly through the charger that comes with it. Z-Edge Z3D Dash Cam. And for our final pick at number 4 we have the Z-Edge Z3D Dash Cam. While most dash cams focus on recording what's ahead of you, the Z-Edge Z3 also records what's behind you. Hence, you can clearly capture just about everything in your car. This is made possible thanks to its 1080p recording resolution in both the front and rear cameras. This quality is far much better than many dual-cam models out there. If only the front camera is in use, it records at 1440p resolution, capturing excellent, crisp and detailed images. The Z-Edge Z3D has a bright 2.7-inch display which makes live viewing easy while driving. It also features an impressive dual-wide 150 degrees viewing angle that captures all the surroundings when driving. This virtually eliminates blind spots in the field of view. The built-in GPS function keeps track of your car's physical location, the route and speed it's traveling at any given moment. This feature really comes in handy in the event of an incident. The footage can be used to speed up a potential insurance claim or even used as evidence for the courts or police. The cam also features a built-in G sensor which can be particularly useful if your vehicle is involved in an incident. In case of a sudden impact, it locks the recorded footage to ensure it's not overwritten by any further footage you record. Loop recording is another powerful function this zero-edge dashcam boasts. When enabled, the dashcam continues to record even if the memory card reaches its full capacity, but automatically deleting the oldest files. The device supports up to 128 GB of memory, however, the TF card is not included in the package. You have to purchase it separately. The Zero-Edge Z3D incorporates the Wide Dynamic Range (WDR) technology, which makes all the difference in terms of lighting conditions. It simply balances contrast lighting for one clear image. In situations where the light is low, like nighttime, the cam adjusts accordingly to capture an extremely detailed video. Nighttime drivers and travelers can benefit greatly from this feature. Lastly, there is no doubt the Zero-Edge has upped its design game in the last few years. The Z3D not only looks classy but feels sturdy and well-made as well. So that sums up the top dash cams. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.